Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the way to sew a very simple dress. It's a slip dress, actually a velvet slip dress. I made this kind of dress because I love everything simple and I want to pair it with a white tee or turtleneck. This dress has the slit at the right side, V-neckline at front and deep round neckline at the back. Especially I got a fake polo strap at the right side and it's a detachable strap. I will show you step by step to make this dress. Hope you like it and let's try out. Okay, let's get started. I picked up a kind of velvet in black to make this dress. This fabric is really soft and smooth. When I touch it, it's really nice. For the border, I developed it from a casual shirt. Right here, I got a half up front. You can pause a while to see clearly the measurement number and adjust them to fit with you. From the front, I just straight to another paper and up 1.5 cm at the shoulder to create a half up back. Okay, here I got a half up front and a half up back, and a half up facing up front and back. Of course, I create them from the main part. After that, I just cut out fabric. For front, I'm gonna fold fabric in half and place the button on to cut. For the back side, I'm gonna cut two separate panels. Do the same with the facing. Now, I'm starting to stick the post stud on front panel and also back panel. When finished stitching, I will leave a distance of the thread and tie it up to close. Next, I will connect two panels at the back side together by sewing machine and overlocking by my serger. And then, I'm going to place the back panel on front panel at the right side together. For the left side, I'm going to stitch in from the bottom to the armhole. For the right side, from the bottom up to 40 cm and stitching from there to the armhole. After that, I'm gonna press it to open the seam at the right side, and also press the hem to flat and nice. Now, at the corner of the bottom and slit side, I will do like this, leave like this. Then I'm stitching the slit side and the hem by my hand. I know it spends a lot of time more than stitching by sewing machine, but it's more beautiful. And here, the slit and the bottom are done. It's very nice and beautiful. Moving on to the facing part, I'm gonna connect them together at the both sides by sewing machine and overlocking at the sides and the bottom. And now I'm gonna make two straps. I will prepare two panels with 4 cm width and 27 cm length. Then fold it like this and stitching by sewing machine. After that, I'm going to flip up the sewing foot, turn the strap and keep going to stitching on the other side. Next, to make a small hook, I use a cord, but I don't know how to name it. Cut two pieces with 4 cm for it. Now, it's time to connect the main part, facing and strap in one. But first, I will carefully bind them together. For the right strap, I will place the small hook between the strap and facing to hide it behind the strap, and then just stitching by sewing machine. Next, I'm gonna use a pair of scissors to snip around and the V-neckline. Then flip the facing and pull the strap out. To make sure the neckline looks nice and flat, I'm going to understick on the facing. And it just looks like this. Really nice, right? Next step, I will stitch in my brand name on the back facing. But it's still not done. Now, to making the detachable fake pearl strap, I already prepared two kinds of fake pearl, black coral, and some hook. Okay, I just put the pearl through the coral one by one like this. At the end, I'm gonna put the hook through the cord, fold the cord and use the thread to tie them. I try to tie them as tight as I can and not again and again. Do the same at the other side. The detachable fake polo strap look like this. Now I just attach it to the hook behind the right strap to finish. And here's the final result. I can wear the fixed polo strap on my shoulder or drop it down. I love to pair this velvet slip dress with white turtleneck in this weather. It's pretty nice, elegant and comfortable. Hope you like it and see you next Thursday. Bye!